you to feel a little bit like those people felt, so that you can understand why they did all they had to do to come here. So we cut out the 4 strings that are 3 feet in length. Now, arrange them in a square on the floor. This will show you that it is approximately the space a person would have if there were 600 passengers. So, as your group, use each one to make a square on the floor next to your desk. Tuck in your desk. No, just tuck it in and put it on the floor. I said no. Just tuck in your chair and put it on the floor. Now, did you need to sit? No? Make the square. 1 square out of the 4 pieces. 1 square. No. This is one side. Each string is one side. Make it straight. How'd you do? Done? Don't cut. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Now stand around it. All right, listen up. Everyone should have a square on the floor by now. All right, one at a time. I want one person to stand in the box. One person in the box. One. Now, that person that's in the box, sit down in the box. That's how much room you would have with the 600 passengers. That's how much room you would have. All right, you stand. Let the next person stand in it. And then sit down. Okay, so you feel the space. Okay? All right, switch again. All right, so everyone should have had a chance to be inside the square. Yes. Back to your seats. Take your 4 pieces with you. All right, let's look at step number 2. All right, step number 2. Now remember, what we just did is if there were 600 people in the hold. The next one says if there were 1,000 passengers, you would have about 2 square feet of space. So you're going to cut your 4 strings and take 1 foot away, because we've already counted 3 on those, right? Now we need 2. So cut. What are you doing? Use the ruler to measure. Measure 1 foot and cut that off and get rid of it.
Let me cut.
So each string should be 2 feet long.
2 feet.
All of them. All of them. So if you hold them all together and measure 1 foot, cut that 1 foot off.
1.
Cut it. She said 1 foot off.
You need 2 feet.
She said 2 feet.
So whether you measure 2 feet and cut the 1 off, or measure 1 and cut that 1 off, it's the same thing.
Just cut it. Cut it. I can't. Here you go. Oh, maybe one. Try here. Maybe to do the second one.
No, you need 2 feet. Every string has to be 2 feet now. So the 1 foot that you cut off, you're going to throw that away.
This is the 1 foot.
Keep the 2 feet long. The 1 foot, throw it out. That's 1 foot, throw it out. So you don't get confused. Those are the 2 feet ones? Okay.
Someone gotta get that other end side.
I got it. Wait, watch your hand.
Watch her hair. Don't cut her hair. All right, you guys come to the front and do your square. You're done? Go to the side and do your square. If you're done, you can go in the back again.
Wait, that's the.
There we go. Alright, these are the strings we're gonna throw in the garbage. Wait, these are the foot. These are the foot.
The 1 foot you have to get rid of.
This is the tooth.
That's 2.
That's 2.
That's 1.
Alright.
You need those 2. All of them.
I need all of them. Alright,
I'll take the 1 and I'll throw them out for you. This is 2?
No. Oh, no.
Those are 2? Here, put them together.
Oh yeah. So we can
Cut.
cut. Oh wait, sorry.
Okay, go make your square. Excuse me? Excuse me?
But we don't know which
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Thank you. Excuse me? All right, same deal. Everyone stand. You stand inside the box and then sit inside the box. You gotta keep yourself in the box. Did you sit? Everyone do it? Stand and then sit. All right, sit down. Got to sit all the way down.
Okay, go. I'm smile first.
All right, sit.
You're our third person already. You sit down. I can't fit. I'm the last person.
All right, once everyone has tried sitting, return to your seat. All right, and when you're done. Okay, sit down.
We're gonna have to stand.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it was a little tighter, right?
Yes.
Okay. The more people they had, the less space you had to stand or sit in. Now, part 3. It says everyone in the class will place their 2 feet square together. Now, it says to go on the playground, but since it rained, it's wet, so we're not going to go out there. But I measured the carpet in the back, and it's exactly what we need. It may be a little bit bigger because we're missing 1 student. It's a little bit bigger than what it should be, so you don't have to bring your strips of yarn. What you're going to do is I'm going to give you a snack, okay? You're going to take your paper, your pencil, and either a book or a folder so you can write on.